Hi, today I'm going to be making a tiny bit of edible slime. First thing you're going to need is a gummy worm. Well, you're actually going to need about 3 of them, because 3 is about this much. I'm only going to use 1 because my brother ate all of them. Like, save some for the video. He's like, nope. He ate them all, so yeah. The second, you're going to need a bowl. Gonna need this in a bowl, and you're also gonna need some cornstarch, some corn flour, cornstarch. You know, I've already got some on my table. Are you kidding me? And you're going to need a microwave and a spoon. Okay, so let's go. So firstly, you want to microwave your gummy worm. Depends on how many you do. 3, you do 30 seconds. So I was just gonna do about 15 seconds.
What I'm doing a little cut up.
Jake, he's just being weird.
What? I'm being weird.
Really?
Well, maybe a little bit.
That. I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna wait.
Sugarish. We had a party the other day. And
There.
I'm going to have a party whatever now.
It's melted. I'm gonna need a spoon.
Wait, I don't realize something.
So you just
How
made a mess of my
melted Tim Tams taste?
Don't try it, please.
I will.
I need a spoon.
But
Smells
how
like
long will it
burnt
take for
gum.
this, Joe?
Jake, don't do it because you're not allowed to. It'll burn. It'll burn and catch on fire. Burn down our whole house. So yeah, just put you guys back there. This is what it looks like.
So Charlie, so I can't do anything with this, so I literally screwed up.
No, you're just gonna have to eat it with a spoon like that. So now I'm just gonna mix
I know
this
what to get. I need
around.
bread.
So look, we're only gonna get like a tiny bit. That's why you're gonna need a lot of gonna get about that much. Oh my god, my brother's putting on a sandwich. It's so weird. I know. Can't believe I'm related to that thing. Looks really stretchy, but it's hot and very, very sticky. You touch your finger in there,
Guys, look.
your finger's gone.
Look at this.
I need up a gummy worm
And
and a Tim Tam, and I'm like, Jake, no.
I've got to put it on a sandwich, so that's
Now
why I
I'm just
need
gonna
bread.
keep Mixing.
I need bread.
Mixing.
I need bread.
Jake, you don't need bread.
Just I need to put it on a sandwich.
I know, Jake, you're weird. Go ask Mom first. Jake, if I spill this on myself, you know I'm gonna get a massive burn on my hand. This is so hot.
Look at it,
Jeez.
guys.
You know what the worst thing is?
Tim Tam
It's hot and
and
sticky. You get it stuck to you. It's burning hot. You can't take it off because it's stuck to you. That's why you gotta be very, like, have an adult when you're handling this stuff. It looks like a melted red skin. I should try that red skin apple slime. Oh yes. I should probably get this down because I don't want to spill cornstarch on my table. It's my desk actually. So I'm in my room right now. You guys can tell already. I want to try and get all of it because I don't have a lot here. So, wow, this is a lot. When it cools down, you're going to start pulling it off the spoon. Just give it like a minute, like a couple of minutes to cool, like 3 minutes or something to cool down. Some people give it 24 hours. I'm like, damn, you're crazy. It's not that hot that you have to leave it cool for 24 hours. But it is going to be burning hot when you first take it out of the microwave. But we didn't just take it out of the microwave. It's been 3 minutes already. Okay. So I have my cornstarch. I should pour some in the bag. In the bowl, I mean, not in the bag. And just mixy. getting in, it'll get less sticky, but also a little less stretchy. And it's going to turn pink because I used red, so it's just going to turn pink. But red's my favorite flavor, so. And I'm going to try and get as much as I can off the spoon and around the sides. Because I freaking love this stuff. It's so good. We've got so far this tiny, very tough thing. I'd suggest you don't put that much in because it's really, really tough. So that's when you want to keep kneading it. So I'm just gonna like put this to the side for now, you know. Where am I going to put this? I put a strange. Oh, it smells so good. You want it to the point where it actually turns pink. This is not pink. This is dark pink. You definitely don't want to add. Jesus.
Okay, I'm done. How's yours turning out?
Pretty good.
Mine turned out really good.
Can you get it out, Jake?
Okay. Ready?
Oh no.
Final review. Oh, look at that.
Horrible. It's disgusting. Like, stop. If I get this everywhere, it's your fault, man. It's very hard to clean up.
And this looks. This up. Mom, ready?
Oh, it's gonna taste so nice. It's very, very tough right now. My brother's insane. Just getting the stuff around the sides. See how much I got off around the sides. I guess a lot was stuck to the sides. There's a lot stuck to the bottom that I want to get off. So then it'll be even bigger. I'm in these together. This is very sticky. Very sticky. very non-sticky. It's very non-stretchy. Lots of cornstarch. Do I have to melt this even more? God, jeez. It's hard. Making some edible slime here. Filming a YouTube video.
Hi. Dada, how does it look?
I just dumped a whole lot of corn flour in there.
And now it's edible slime.
Stop, Jake. Can you film a YouTube video?
Oh, look at it.
These are my friends.
Stopping. Ah, you can get out now.
Skylar, you're the best.
What about you make an edible slime here?
Yeah, it's not going too good.
What about Minecraft?
We're not going to be here for a while.
What did you make it out of?
Ooh, hey,
Gummy worms.
Bill.
I used one gummy worm. So if you use a whole packet of gummy worms, this thing will be ginormous. No, it's fine.
You took our chair.
Stop, Jake! No!
Okay, sorry. It's okay, you can have it. What a shame.
So I want to put lots of this stuff in here, because maybe it will become stretchy, I don't know.
I don't think it will.
Yeah, I don't think it will either. So now what I'm going to do in a second is I'm going to get some water and add water to it, see what it does. So it's really tough. So maybe if I add water...
I think it's like real slime, but it has stuff what's edible in it.
Yeah.
So I think the water will ruin it. And
What is edible?
what I know. Hi. We're gonna make some edible slime. Whoa, it fell on the ground. Whoa!
That's not a tiny bit of water. Oh crap.
Oh no!
I'm making ooblex, I forgot. Oh no.
What, you're making oobleck?
No, this is meant to be edible slime. You put water and cornstarch together, it becomes ooblex.
Oh no, you're gonna make some edible oobleck.
Well, ooblex is already edible. Ooblex is already edible.
Wait, real
Ooblex? Yeah, it's just made of cornstarch and water.
I know. When you punch it, it's really hard, but it looks solid. Not
Yeah.
solid, sorry.
So yeah, I need to get more of this.
I need lots of this. Put cornstarch.
Yep.
So,
I'm gonna make a mess.
Did your mom? Did you and your mom argue to get this on or not?
Yeah. It's getting a little bit better.
You think?
Yeah. Just a little bit. See, like it's getting a little bit stretchier. See? See? It's also getting a little stickier. So I'm gonna need some more corn starch into
It needs to get squishier and stickier, and then when it's
Don't add water to it. I just remember you can make it ooblex. And I don't want any more ooblex. I have too much ooblex.
do the oobleck challenge.
Leave the chair right now or you're grounded. Well, I'm telling Mum you're grounded.
Why?
Leave her be. She's doing a video. Leave her be. Leave her be. Leave her be. We're sorry, YouTube. This guy is a crazy person. I'm the one starting the YouTube channel.
Now I've got Ublex
Can I
and
try it?
this is horrible. This just turned out horrible.
Can I try it? To
This
see
is
if
gonna
it's
be
yummy?
amazing, but now it's horrible. It's not gonna taste yummy.
You
Yeah, Eddie, we're both gonna try some.
don't.
This is gonna taste absolutely disgusting. I'm so sorry, Indy.
It's fine.
Don't add water to it. Ew.
Well, have you even moved the stuff off your floor so you can put this in there?
It's a bit good.
No,
Sweet. Whoa.
You have to go take this outside.
Ooh. That was a little bit yummy.
You know, I love some pasta smeared with that white sauce. Carbonara. Mate, shit. But every time I eat it, man, I'm like, I reckon it only stays in the fucking body for about an hour. It's just rich, man. Way too rich pasta. Garlicky free. Yeah. Bacon. Good beef. No, I got up at 4 and never really went back to sleep from then. It's always happened. But I didn't wake up. Still pissed. After you use it, I made a coffee. Sit down there, man. Just trying to do the old Cambo spot. Falling over.
You know what we should try to do?
Then I got up this morning, man, and got animals. Got into the food. Scraps
Sorry guys. We forgot to use
Really easy shit.
downstairs.
Good if we're going.
Sorry guys.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, sorry. Forgot about you.
Can I mix it with you? You ate half of it?
Ah, that's good.
Can I mix it with
Don't add water to it. Don't add water to it. You wanna eat it?
you? Sure.
You wanna eat it? It tastes disgusting.
It tastes yum actually.
It's a little bit disgusting because I put water in there and I forgot that water and cornstarch makes Ublex.
No, I'm staying
Wanna
with
check?
Mum.
Wanna check?
Nah, since Scott I want to stay.
No, I want to stay.
It looks a bit like Ublex. It's not really hard. Really good.
I'll come in a minute. This actually tastes like
How long are you
lolly.
saying it's long?
This actually doesn't taste bad.
Tastes like a lolly.
Eat the last
Tastes
part.
like red skin. Sorry.
It definitely tastes like a lolly.
It's melted gummy worm with cornstarch.
Wow, good.
I need some more cornstarch in my mouth.
No, don't. It tastes disgusting.
And if you stay here, we'll go for a drive something.
Okay, you guys can stay together. I don't really care. We hang out
Yeah, no,
next
we
time.
don't make a mess, alright?
I already finished. We're eating it right now.
Got it here. No, you're not coming near me. Oh, you're allergic to that. I get sneezing then. Yeah, I'm allergic to that. Stop acting like a baby. I will see you next time. See you next time.
We keep forgetting you, camera. Sorry. There's our. There's colors. Hello. Hey, sorry. Jake.
again.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I went to go wash my hands. So we left you again. Sorry about that. Well, hope you enjoyed us eating disgusting.
You got a Kinder Surprise?
No, I didn't.